Hello, and welcome to Pcast Live by Pocket Marketing Group. This is Andy, and in this lesson, we're going to begin creating Pcards. Pcards are the digital, interactive, multimedia messages that you can send to people through your Pcast broadcasting network. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add text, format that text, and even bring that text to life by making it a clickable, interactive element within the Pcard. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up your browser and log into your Pcast Pocket Broadcast dashboard. And on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu item called Markdown Cards, or as we call them, Pcards. Go ahead and click. This will bring up the card library. If you're just getting started, you'll have one card in your library, and it may say, come in for a test drive, or come in for a free cup of coffee. This is just a simple basic card that we've created to get you started, to show you what you can do, and to make it easy for you to build your first card. So using your mouse, go ahead and click on the title of the one card in your library to bring up the edit screen. Up top, you'll see the title of the card. This title is a text or numeric string, no more than 40 characters in length, that is the message people receive when they first enter the Pcast broadcast zone, the area where they can receive Pcast transmissions. In this case, come in for a test drive is what they'll see first. When they click or tap on that message, they then will see the body of your Pcard, which is this area here. Now, to see what the Pcard will look like on the actual phone, the device of the person receiving the Pcast, click on the eye or the preview button, or use the button that says preview at the lower right-hand side of your screen to see what the Pcard actually looks like when it gets Pcasted to a phone or smart device. We have an image at the top, a headline, and a subheadline beneath that. Two clickable areas, or two buttons, a little more text in bold, and some plain text at the bottom. It's basic and it's simple, but it's a great way to reach out to customers and prospects, to people who are in your store, or maybe people who are just passing by and you want to get them to come in. Use your mouse to click on any area of the screen off of the Pcard preview screen to get back to our edit screen. Position your cursor to the left of the leftmost character of the top line and click the return button on your keyboard twice to create a blank area. With your cursor back in that blank area, in all caps, type, "Come check us out." It's that simple. Click on the preview button, and you can see that you've added a new headline above the picture, encouraging people to come on into the store and check out what you're selling. Let's get rid of the Pcard preview by clicking again, and let's now do some formatting with this text. I can make it bold and or italics by using these two buttons in my button bar. I can make it a big heading, like Jackson Honda of Naples, or a smaller heading, like check out the new Civic, using the H1 and H2 buttons. If I want to include a bulleted list or a numbered list of action items to be executed in sequence, I can use these two buttons here and just add one item after another, and it will be formatted accordingly. So for example, if we want people to step 1, come check us out, and step 2, ask for John, we can put those into a numeric list, and our preview button will show us exactly what we've done. Not real pretty, but I think you get the idea. Let's get rid of step 2 by highlighting it and deleting it. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the numeric character in the front. The next thing I want to show you is how to bring this text to life. Highlight, come check us out, and notice the chain link or the link add link button in the button bar and click on it. This will bring up the add link screen, and in the field below where it says URL, type a web address. In this case, www.jacksonhonda.com, and click add. Let's see what we've done. Click on the preview button, and you'll see that what previously was text has now become a clickable hotspot. The cursor changes to a finger pointer when they hover over it, and if they click on it, it'll open up the website of the URL that you just entered. Now, in this case, Jackson Honda is not a real company, so there's no real website. But again, I think you get the idea. It's that simple and that easy to create P-cards that serve as a launching pad to direct people to your website, to a specific page on your website, directly to your Pocket web app, or any other web address that you want them to see. If you like the changes you're made, and when you're done, go ahead and click on the Save button just to the right of the Preview button, and this will save the changes you've made. And let's return to the Markdown card screen. The last thing I want to show you in this lesson is how to create a P-card from scratch, and it couldn't be easier. Find the blue button in the top right-hand corner of your screen with the plus sign and the word Create, and click on it. This opens up a brand new Create P-card screen. Put in the title field what you want them to receive, what you want them to see when they enter the Pcast broadcast zone. Welcome to our store. And then adding text and pictures and all the other things that we're going to show you in our next lessons, you can begin to build the body of your P-card. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to add pictures and video and even an interactive form that really brings these P-cards to life. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.